Hello and welcome to Radio Waves by Todderbert. If you enjoy reviews, comparisons, band scans of new and classic portable radios, then please subscribe and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today we have the Retekess PR12 AM FM portable micro-sized radio with an MP3 player. You can get this radio for $32.99 from Amazon. I love my little radios. I think I found one that's awesome. It's a digital radio with a speaker, and it's super small. Here's the box. Retekess PR12 AM FM radio MP3 player. Some icons. Close up of the box there for you guys who love that stuff. Information there. Built-in lithium battery. Auto presets, manual tuning. It's okay. It's a little device, so they try to make do what they can. The cool thing is it's made by TIV Radio, so you got good support. And they make good radios, right guys? So let's go ahead and open this up. Slides off there. Throw that aside. Here's the radio. Protected in foam. That's nice to see. Underneath, there's a little standoff here. We have a cable, and we have a manual. And then it's an empty box there, so set to the side. Simple variety cable. USB micro, I believe. In white color. Use this to charge your radio. Nice. Here we have the manual. Very clear and concise, well written. I can understand everything they were saying, which is good. I want to show a couple little things in here. One is it has an expanded FM scale, 64 to 108, also with the 87 to 108. And then your AM, you do have 9K or 10K choices. And some technical specifications. All right. Let's look at the radio. It comes in this little plastic sleeve. And there it is. Super small. Look at this little guy. It is so tiny. I love it. Let's go over dimensions real quick. 3.5 inches high, 1 3/4 inches wide, and a thickness of 3/4 of an inch. Just amazingly small. Let's show size comparison. CC pocket. And then we have, this is one you guys haven't seen for a while, Texan DR777. This was my smallest digital AM FM stereo radio that I had. And now this one, this Retekess, is my smallest. And here's a fun thing, Altoids tin. There is a subscriber on my channel who says, does your radio fit in the Altoids tin? This was a few radios back. I said, no, it doesn't. I got to find one that does. So I'll put his video up here. He found a Sony that fits in his. This is for you, bud. Altoids tin. Will it fit? Drum roll. It does. Now you got your radio in an Altoids tin. Perfect storage. All right. So I thought that was kind of cool. All right, so the Retekess, let's go over features. Our left-hand side, we have a switch, MP3 off radio. Cool, very simple. The front of the radio, we have Retekess. We have an AM FM band button. LCD display, which is side lit with a very bright white light. Super blindingly bright, you'll see. AM FM radio, MP3 player, PR12 is labeled there. Metal speaker grill. Sorry, bump the camera there for you. We have a 1-inch speaker here, which is just amazingly good. I was shocked to see the sound coming out, or hear the sound coming out of this thing. Just amazing. Let's see, the right-hand side, we have the DC 5-volt in to charge the lithium battery. We have a multi-function button here. We have up and down volume, forward and back on presets, forward and back on your MP3 player. Here we have pause play for the MP3 player. Also initiates auto scan and mode select for manual tuning or auto tuning. So cool. Top of the radio, we have a little 10-inch antenna. It's very fragile, so be very careful as you extend that antenna out and retract it. But it works very well. Top of the radio, we have a micro SD card slot for your MP3 playback. And I believe it takes up to 32 gigs. I have let's see what I got in here. Got a 16 gigabyte card in there. Okay, put that back in. Sweet. We have headphone jack. The headphones are FM stereo and stereo for your MP3 playback. FM stereo only on your stronger stations, which we'll talk about. Okay, so we did that. The back of the radio is kind of a high gloss finish. The name, frequencies, output power, 3 watts. Wow. Serial number. And then the bottom is flat, so you can stand the radio up. Gotta love that. All right, so before I turn it on, we'll talk about the FM. So I don't usually go through the FM band anymore due to copyright problems, so we're just going to stick with talking about the FM. Buy this radio if you love listening to FM with an external speaker. It sounds fantastic. And when I do the audio check with the MP3, you're going to hear this difference. It is amazing. So what you hear on that audio on the MP3s is similar to the FM that comes out of the speaker. Just amazing. The selectivity is amazing because it's digital. You have no problem finding a station. Sensitivity is very good. I did an auto scan outside with my little 10-inch antenna, and I found 50 stations right away. And I found out that's as many memories as you get because it stopped at like 104, and I know I had 10 more stations above that. And so it was just amazing what this radio can find. So FM stereo, this is one little thing I want to make sure you know, is difficult with this radio. I'd say average to below average. 3 of those 50 some stations I was able to get FM stereo with, and they were my strongest, closest stations. So if you live in an urban area, you'd probably be fine and not have to worry. But if you live in a rural area, you're going to have a hard time getting FM stereo. I have other radios that do it better, but it's to be expected. Just want to let you know, give you a heads up on that. So yeah, definitely this is great for FM. I would totally recommend this radio because first, size, and then FM is amazing. So we'll go ahead and turn the radio on so you can see what this looks like. Okay, we're on AM band. So you see the frequency here, 560. You'll have band AM and FM up here. And then over here, you'll have your battery strength indicator. And to do a scan, you just press and hold pause play, and it'll go through all the stations and find the strongest one. So we can try that right now. As you can see, this is a very bright light. It's going to go ahead and seek all the AM stations. God, I love the size of this thing. Did I say that? It is cool. So it's going to scan up the band. With the AM band, just to let you know, being this is a digital radio in such a small size and high power, there's a lot of interference that this radio generates. So you're going to have some birdie tones on a lot of your stations. Just want to let you know that. I have them on some of my strongest stations. So let's go ahead and turn it up and give you guys an idea. So to turn up your volume, you got to press and hold this rocker switch. So press and hold. And to go through the presets, it's the same ones. You just got to wait and tap it forward.
She was also in casino. Yep. She ran the grocery
So the cool thing is, some of these stations I get, they don't have birdie tones like this one. It's one of my favorite sports stations.
My bad.
So it's cool that this one doesn't have any problem.
All right, Steve, thank you very much. I appreciate it. It'll take 3 years to wipe a smile off the horse's face. So, it's pretty nice.
You kind of hear that background tone coming from the radio.
The father and son admit they've survived a lot. Taxes,
This is my 780 WBBM news channel, which does not have birdie tones, which is good.
But what?
Literally, they rationalize.
You can hear that.
Entonces,
This one doesn't have it.
There's a timeshare cancellation advocate. I was sued by a large timeshare company in federal court. Summer sells out. Bridges is located.
Oh, I got 1180. Cool. It's got music on there I like. So yeah, sounds really good. Sports radio.
My father was a Yankee like you. That's his favorite guy, Tony Montana. And Scarface, which is another one of my favorite gangster movies.
Scarface is great.
Now, if you want to call The Pope of Greenwich Village a gangster movie, although
sounds really good.
I don't, even though there are gangsters.
Okay, so just so you know, the manual tuning, you press and tap the pause play, and now you can enter that 10K steps or 100 kilohertz steps on the FM. So you're able to go to the stations you need to. Now, if you wait, what'll happen is it'll go automatically default to preset mode. So now we're back in preset mode without doing anything. So that's kind of one annoyance. So you have to hit this, do your tuning, and then hit it again. If you need to tune again, so you gotta wait, and you're like, okay, just make sure you hit it again so you can keep tuning up.
Chicago small business owners.
All right, well, let's go show you what this thing can do. The music, holy cow, this radio does, blows me away. So we'll run for a few minutes here. Hope I didn't blow your drums out. The reason why I like this radio is you can put more classic radio shows on there. I'm such a fan. I think you guys know that. Let's see, let's get some. I think they're 15, 16. Let's see what we got. There we go.
Jello.
Whoops. Passed her up.
It's time for My Favorite Husband, starring Lucille Ball.
Jello, everybody.
Yes, it's the Gay Family series starring Lucille Ball with Richard Denning. Transcribed and brought to you by the Jello family of Red Letter Desserts.
Oh, the big red.
Here's Dick Powell as Richard Diamond, private detective.
Okay, there we go. I'll go ahead and turn it off. All right, so let's do final thoughts on the Retekess PR12 AM FM portable micro-sized radio. Wow. Get one? Actually, so the cool thing is, let me just raise this up a little bit here. All right. Features most liked about this radio for me is FM radio on the speaker, external speaker. Amazing. This will be what I use this radio for mainly. Its novelty of being so small and I can put it anywhere. I'm also going to use the SD function. Even though it's very basic, you only have forward and back. There is no seek forward or seek back, but it does remember where you were at, which is nice. It does have a memory of where you're at on your MP3 card, which is good. Pause, play. Nice thing, is I just like, 1 hour shows. Sometimes you can have your album. We can try to take like Audacity and that, and you can take all your music tracks and make like one big file. Like say you can make an hour or 2 hour long album as one file and chuck it on there. So you could have 5 or 6 albums all as one file, or multiple files without having like multiple songs, which is nice. So that's one way to get around that. But then it's harder to seek. You can't really seek the different songs. So it's good for say 20, 30 files on there. It's not good if you have 100, 200 files. It'd be too hard to navigate. So, but I would use this for my classic radio shows. And what I do is I put about 10 or 20 at a time. And once I go through those, I just take the card out and add some new ones on there. So it's easy for me. I like doing that. But wow, did you hear that speaker? Just amazing what's coming out of this little guy. I'm just amazed, completely amazed by this little radio. Really cool that they're coming out with stuff like this still, that there's, the market wants it. So I think it's neat. Just very happy to have it. So yes, this radio gets a big thumbs up from Todderbert. If you're looking for an FM radio with an external speaker, if you're not see, the AM thing is kind of a little bit of a letdown because, I get a couple stations that, which are good for me, 670 and 780 that I don't mind. I love listening to, and I'm glad it doesn't have the birdie tone, but 720 is one of the ones I listen to, and that has that birdie tone on it. And just, hopefully they fix that in the future. This is a fairly new radio, so maybe in a newer, installment of this device they'll fix that, because that interference is very annoying. I will say that, but it still gets a buy for me because it is so small, has such a rocking speaker on it, MP3 playback, you heard it, and the FM selectivity and reception on this radio is just great. Walk around the neighborhood just jamming away, not using headphones, just had the speaker going. It was great. I mean, I could hear it over the wind and everything. It was just really nice, a lot of fun. So, and it makes a great gift. I mean, for the guy who has everything, you can buy him a radio the size of a Zippo. I love it. All right, guys. Well, there it is, the Retekess PR12. If you like the video, big thumbs up. I appreciate it. It takes me time to build these videos and put them up for you guys. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon, get notified of new videos every evening. And make sure to comment below what you think about the PR12 Retekess. Is this something you'd buy or give to somebody or use yourself? Let me know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.